Today our topic is harmonic distortion analyzer. So previous class we discussed about wave analyzer. We see that wave analyzer are used for measurement, electrical measurement, sound measurement, vibration measurement, and they are two types: frequency selective wave analyzer and heterodyne wave analyzer. So in wave analyzer there are many types of distortion occur. This distortion are we see that sinusoidal input signal are of an electronics device such as amplifier should result in generation sinusoidal output waveform. But however, output waveform not exact replica of the input waveform because of various type of distortion. This distortion may occur due to the inherent non-linear characteristic of the different components used in electronic circuit or non-linear behavior of the elements introduced of the harmonics in the outform, and resultant distortion is known as harmonic distortion or HD. This is the main region of harmonic distortion. Type of distortion: there are many types of distortion are there. Distortion occurs due to the many devices and components which form a electronic circuit. Different type of distortion may cause amplifier are considered. The various type of distortion may be occur like frequency distortion. Frequency distortion occurs due to the uh, amplification factor of the amplifier in different frequencies. Number one. Number two is the phase distortion. It's occur the amount of energy storage element in the system which made the output signal to be displaced in phase with the input signal. If the signal of all frequency are displaced same amount, then the phase distortion would not be noticed. But actual practice, signal of different frequency are shifted in phase of different angle and therefore phase distortion is occur. Third distortion is amplitude distortion. Amplitude distortion occurs due to the fact of the amplifier generates harmonic of the fundamental of the input signal. Harmonic also rise to the amplitude distortion. For example, when an amplifier is overdriven and clips the input signal. And last all another distortion is intermodulation distortion. It's occur consequence of interference of heterodyne of the two frequencies gives the output of the signal. Heterodynes of the two signal giving the output which is the sum or difference of the two original signal. And last of all is the crossover distortion. In crossover distortion, there occurs in push-pull amplifier of an account of bold infrared levels like this one. Crossover distortion. This is the crossover we see in the push-pull power amplifier. So total harmonic distortion. What is total harmonic distortion? In nonlinear system produce a harmonic of input sine wave. The harmonic consisting of sine wave of all frequencies which are multiple of fundamental of the input signal. The total harmonic distortion we also denoted by THD, total harmonic distortion, in terms of harmonic contents of the wave, and given by THD equal to summation of harmonics by fundamental. A measure of distortion represents a particular harmonic ratio amplitude of the harmonic on the fundamental distortion, harmonic distortion, and given by suppose D2, then E2 by E1, fundamental and the second, then D3, E3 by E2, E1. D4 equal to E4 by E1. So when Dn, n means 2, 3, 4 up to n, distortion of nth harmonic, and En represent the amplitude of the nth harmonic. So E1 is the amplitude of the fundamental, means E1 is the fundamental amplitude. So total harmonic distortion THD is represented by D1 square plus D2 square plus dot 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 Dn square, or we can represent by E2 square plus E3 square plus E4 square plus dot 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 by E1. So if we calculate in percentage, then total harmonic distortion is percentage, and if we take here percentage E1 square, E2 square, En square by E1 in percentage. So total harmonic distortion we represent in percentage also. So if we use the block diagram of how we calculate the harmonic distortion, there are two types of reading, manual and ratio reading. There are two ways we can measure this one. So if we distortion using manual reading, so what is the circuit? First there is a signal source, then amplifier under test, there is a notch filter, there is a indicator. There is a switch, which one will be selected. This is for diagram manual reading. So the signal source have very low distortion and can be checked by reading output distortion by connecting the directly into the analyzer. The signal from the source is fed to the amplifier under test, and then the generate harmonic and the original fundamental frequency. The fundamental frequency is removed by the notch filter. Then in manual system, the switch first in position 1, then total occupied of the fundamental and harmonic ET is measured, then the is goes to the point 2, and then the measure of harmonic EH, means, so we get that the total harmonic distortion THD equal to EH by ET into 100. This meter can be calibrated by putting the switch in position 1 and adjusting the reading of full scale deflection. And with the switch 2, meter reading is now proportional to the THD. Another observation is ratio reading. How we use? There is a same as signal source, amplifier under test, same as previous, notch filter, then there is a RMS detector. Two RMS detector is there, then its ratio is taken, then indicator. So from the entire arrangement, alternative arrangement, there are ET and EH are simultaneously ratio calculated by THD on the indicator. For good accuracy, the notch filter must be excellent rejection of the high pass characteristic. It should be attenuated to the fundamental by 100 dB or more, or less than 1 dB. The filter also needs to twin alternate actually the fundamental of the signal source. So this is, there are the two ratio meters we use. The distortion and difficult to achieve manually, and most distortion analyzer do this automatically. Common form of notch use wine bridge, and the disbalances the frequency at the output voltage, and the null detector is minimum. for that case.